In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto on Binance. We'll walk through the full process of using Binance's peer-to-peer marketplace so you can safely convert your crypto to local currency. I'll keep things clear and practical, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to tap and why it matters. First, open Binance and head to Buy Crypto, then choose P2P. This takes you to Binance's peer-to-peer marketplace where buyers and sellers trade directly. Binance holds the crypto in escrow during the trade, which helps protect both sides. You'll see separate tabs for buying and selling. We're going to use the selling side to receive money directly into your chosen payment method. Next, tap Sell. This switches the marketplace view to show buyers who are ready to purchase from you. You can set your local currency at the top if needed so you see offers that match how you want to get paid. Now select USDT. USDT is a stablecoin, making it a popular choice for P2P trades because the price closely tracks the US dollar. Make sure the asset you choose matches what you actually hold in your available P2P or funding balance so the order can proceed smoothly. Enter the amount you want to sell. You can type a custom amount or choose to sell all of your available USDT. Pay attention to the buyer's minimum and maximum limits so your amount fits within their range. You'll also see the buyer's price, which determines how much local currency you'll receive. Choose a buyer with a high rating, ideally 98% or higher. Take a moment to review the buyer's completion rate, the total number of orders they've done, any payment window they specify, and their listed payment methods. A strong track record and clear terms help ensure a smoother experience. When you're comfortable with the offer, tap Sell. At this point, Binance places your crypto into escrow, and the buyer is prompted to send the payment to your selected method. Keep an eye on the countdown timer so you know how long the buyer has to pay. Wait for payment to arrive in your account. Do not rely on screenshots or messages alone. Always verify the funds in your own bank or wallet app. If anything seems off, stay patient and keep your crypto in escrow. Once you've confirmed the payment is truly received, tap Confirm Received, then Release Crypto. Releasing sends the USDT from escrow to the buyer and finalizes the trade. You'll see the order marked as completed, and your local currency is now yours. That's it. Simple, secure, and done.